only Ma'am Zea. We are here to discuss to you our creation of formulation of our product Adobong Pato sa Gata from the beginning and up to final formulation. For our first trial, our duck meat for 4 treatments, both male and female, are 500 grams. For our coconut milk is 200 ml. For our soy sauce is 70 ml. For vinegar, 25 ml. Onion, garlic, and ginger is 10 grams. And for the red chili is 5 grams for the spicy variant. For our first trial, we cook our duck meat in pressure cooker for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the duck meat was still tough. After we cook the duck meat, we heat the pan and saute the garlic, onion, and ginger. After sauteing the garlic, onion, and ginger, we add the duck meat and saute and simmer it for 15 minutes so that the duck meat was soft. After simmering the duck meat, we add the coconut milk together with the soy sauce and vinegar. Our first trial is with the duck bone, and we put our product in glass jar container, but we didn't process again for 1 hour and 30 minutes in pressure cooker so that the gata is not luto masyado. So for our second trial, we cook our duck meat in pressure cooker for 1 hour. In 1 hour, our duck meat is becomes juicy and tender. After cooking duck meat in pressure cooker, we set aside and let it cool, so that we can shred the duck meat to look like a pastil and remove the bones and skins. After removing the bones, skin, and shred the duck meat, we cook it together with all the ingredients. After cooking duck meat, we put it in a glass jar and process it using a pot for only 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, the gata is not yet cooked. It's cooked, but it's slightly cooked.
Final formulation of adobong pato sa gata. Marination of duck meat. Ingredients: duck meat 1000 grams, soy sauce 70 ml, oyster sauce 10 ml, pineapple juice 500 ml, garlic 15 grams, ginger 15 grams, black pepper 5 grams. For the formulation of cooking of adobong pato sa gata. Ingredients: duck meat 1000 grams, garlic 15 grams, onion 15 grams, ginger 15 grams, bay leaves 5 grams, black pepper 5 grams, coconut milk 450 ml, vinegar 25 ml, red chili 5 grams, and lastly, corn oil 30 grams. Preparation of duck meat. The duck was slaughtered and cut into quarters. Second, wash the duck meat and rub with salt, then wash again. 3. Place the duck meat in the pressure cooker, followed by the addition of water, ginger, and lemongrass, then cook for 40 minutes. 4. Allow to cool and shred the duck meat into small pieces. Lastly, marinate the shredded duck in pineapple juice, soy sauce, oyster sauce, black pepper, and garlic overnight. Process flow of adobong pato sa gata. First, prepare all the ingredients. Second, in a pot, heat corn oil and saute ginger, garlic, and onions until fragrance, and in the shredded duck and stir fry for about 2 minutes. Third, then pour the vinegar and again bring to a boil and simmer until the meat is tender. 5. Pour coconut milk until the milk is cooked. And lastly, put in a glass jar container, then put the glass jar in the pressure cooker and process for 1 hour and 30 minutes. This presents a detailed recipe formulation for adobong pato sa gata, outlining for specific ingredients quantities for different variations based on the duck's gender, male or female, and flavor profile, classic or spicy.